Dumpster rental, Essex, Maryland. Planning a home renovation or cleanup project? You'll need a dumpster rental to haul away all that debris. Look no further than Mac Dumpsters, your trusted provider for dumpster rental in Essex, Maryland. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, whether it's a minor cleanup or a significant renovation. From construction waste to yard debris and household junk, we accept a wide range of materials, making it easier to clear out your space efficiently. We understand that time is essential at Mac Dumpsters, so we offer same-day delivery and pickup. You won't have to wait for your dumpster to arrive or deal with delays when it's time to eliminate the waste. We pride ourselves on fast, reliable service that helps keep your project on track. We also take sustainability seriously. Mac Dumpsters is committed to recycling and environmentally responsible disposal practices, helping keep the Essex community clean and green. When you choose us, you can feel good knowing that your waste is being handled in a way that benefits you and the environment. Don't let junk and debris slow down your project. Contact Mac Dumpsters at 410-205-5330 for a hassle-free dumpster rental experience.